Good morning. We're starting off with some cloud, but for most of us today, the day is going to develop into a sunny and a warm one. The rain we currently have across the north of Scotland continuing to push northwards. The rest of this week, what we're looking at is it's becoming warm or hot. It's also going to be humid. We're looking at some torrential thunderstorms, particularly later today and into tonight and tomorrow, even on Friday. But there'll also be a lot of sunshine around. This weekend, though, it's going to be fresher with sunshine and showers. Now, this morning we've got quite a bit of cloud across northern Scotland, Northern Ireland and the southeastern corner of England. What will happen as we go through the day is a lot of this cloud will break up, but there's some sea fog in the English Channel which could lap onshore at times. Some fair weather cloud developing through the afternoon. Some of this cloud in Northern Ireland also breaking up. And as our rain that's currently across the north of Scotland moves northwards, it will brighten up slowly behind it. And that's what will happen as we go through the rest of the afternoon. For most, it's going to be dry, sunny and warm, but increasingly turning that bit more humid. Temperatures 12 to about 25 degrees, and you can already see by the end of the afternoon some thunderstorms coming in across the southwest, which through this evening and overnight will push up across southwest England, Wales and also into Northern Ireland. And if anything, as we go through tomorrow, they will become a bit more widespread. Now, not all of us will see one. Some parts of eastern England will miss them. There'll be quite a lot of dry weather and some sunshine, but these thunderstorms are likely to be heavy and also torrential at times, with some hail mixed in there as well. If anything, it's going to be humid tomorrow. Temperatures 14 to about 25 or 26 degrees. And then Salinjohn, it peaks up to 28, 29, maybe 30 degrees. Then, as I mentioned, fresher at the weekend. And so it's mixed fortunes, but for most of us today, we will see some sunshine develop if you haven't got it at the moment. Now, as we go through the rest of this week, it's going to turn hotter and more humid. There will be some torrential downpours, some thunderstorms, gusty winds around them, but there will also be sunny spells to look forward to. Then as we head into the weekend, it's turning fresher with sunshine and showers. So this is the lump of cloud we saw across the southeast. We've also got a bit more cloud across Northern Ireland and Scotland, this producing some rain. Now, as we go through the course of the day, this rain will continue to drift northwards. The cloud will break up and it will brighten up behind it, and we'll see some breaks in the cloud in Northern Ireland as well and into the south of England. But we do have some sea fog in the English Channel which could lap onshore through the day. But a lot of dry weather. It's going to be sunny, it's going to be warm, and temperatures could get up today to about 25 or 26 degrees at best. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, once again, we're looking at some clear skies, but late afternoon into the early evening, we'll start to see these thunderstorms come up from the southwest, getting into Wales and also Northern Ireland. It's going to start to become more humid through the night as well, with overnight lows 10 to about 14 degrees. So this is what's bringing us the thunderstorms during the course of Thursday. As I mentioned, torrential downpours. We won't all see them. Some parts of Yorkshire, Lincolnshire, for example, may not see them. East Anglia may not see too many as this moves northwards and eastwards. But they will be heavy. If you catch one, you'll know all about it. And again, it's going to feel sticky tomorrow. Top temperatures up to 25 or 26 degrees. Moving on through the week into Thursday evening, you can see how we continue with these thunderstorms drifting northwards. Again, there's a lower risk of them being thundery across Scotland and Northern Ireland, but we can't completely rule it out. And then for Friday, well, we've got two systems. This one bringing some showers, which are going to be moving northwards, and then this one will bring in some more thunderstorms. Friday sees the peak of the heat. We start off on a dry note, but you can see the showers pushing northwards and then more coming in as well. These are likely to be thundery as we go through the course of the day. Some of us will stay dry with some sunshine. Temperatures 14 to 28 degrees, but we could squeeze out 29, possibly even a 30. Then Salinjohn,
it changes again.
It changes again.